Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Enable Website Design. In this video we are going to discuss how you can create a search result page in your Elementor WordPress website. So for example, if I go here and type anything, so let me add DNK, then scroll down and click on view all button. So this one is default search page. And now if you want to customize and add anything on search result page, then how you can do that? So you can go here in website dashboard, make sure that you have installed Elementor WordPress plugin, and after that you can go to templates, then click on theme builder. Now scroll down and here you can see this one is the page search results, then click on add new and let me click on cross button. Then let's add a new section. After that, now let me add some heading. Now let me add this title, search results. Then let me align it in center and add some height. Now let me add some background color and then let me add this one, products, archive products. So just leave it here. So I think I need to add a new section, and this one is looking much better. So now let me click on publish button and then make sure that you have selected search results, then click on save and close. Okay, now let's scroll down and here you can see search box. Now let me type, for example, let me search for DNK. Then here you can see how search results page now looks. So you can easily add different sections and customize according to your requirement.